to my channel. So I'm gonna show you like a picture or whatever of what I want to do. Like it's like trending on TikTok, so I wanted to also do it. And so far the only thing I've done was do how I want the face to be, and now we're just gonna go in and get some black eyeshadow to create. Maybe we want to do it a little brown. It's black and black eyeshadow and this bronzer. Now we're gonna take our face paint and we're gonna color in our whole face whites. So now we're gonna take this SFX White Base Matte Powder by Revolution. So now we're gonna be going into the James Charles X Morphe palette. This guy, and like putting it all over the face. Now I'm gonna just quickly go in and fill the rest in, so I'll be back. Now that we got all of that done, we're gonna go back into our face paint and we're gonna color around our eyes black. So we're gonna go back into the James Charles palette. We're gonna be mixing these two. Actually, we're gonna go with the darker color, like this one. So wherever you're gonna put like holes from the mask, do a couple dots. So now we'll be going into the face paint and we're gonna be doing the circles. So I just went on Google to see how these red lines were on his mask. I messed up, but it's still okay. We're gonna be stepping into the black, gray, and white to make the bolts. And now we're gonna be going into the black. And now we're just going to quickly go into white. Okay. So we're done with that. The only thing that leaves us is some fake blood. So like I'm gonna try and splat this on my face. Did it work? I think it's too thick. Hold on. Now with a smaller brush, we're just gonna add bigger dots. So that's the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below any ideas that you have or anything at all. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.
I'd be lying if I said you ain't the one. All these tattoos in my skin, they turn you up. Lot of smoking, drinking, eyes. Is we fucking when we leave the club or not? I ain't spending cash for nothing, I wanna see you take it off. I'ma pop this bottle, you gon' give me brain or not?
Do you like the way I flick my tongue or not?